Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Where the Hair Sits. Again, my name is Arla. This is my sister Katrina. In our previous videos, we've talked about how to measure your head before buying a wig and how to properly put your wig on. If you've already done everything and your wig is still not quite fitting you properly, or if you just want extra security, then you can try this product.
So this is the got2b glued. This is actually a spiking gel, and so you're gonna apply a small amount of this and wait until it's tacky. And your lace should hold down where you'd like it.
So if you guys notice, when I do this with my hair, the lace is kind of lifting a little bit. So I don't want that to happen if I'm just fixing my hair, and then you can see that it's not actually my hair. There, do you see that? So we're going to use this product to prevent that from happening so that it looks more natural.
So this product is actually available anywhere: Amazon, Target, Walmart. It comes in this size and then also a travel size so that you don't have to take this whole thing with you when you travel. So what I do is you probably want to put, and you can do this in different sections of your hair. You don't have to put it all on the top of your head and you're trying to figure out where to place your lace. So about this much on your finger. I usually use or start where the front lace is, because that's the one that really I want to hold down the most. So when you lift your lace, so where my sister has it, so she has it basically in the front, it's lifting. So you're gonna put that thin layer where you want that got2b glued to lay, and you can remove the excess as needed. Now you can use a hair dryer on a low setting, and you can run the hair dryer through the front here just until the glue is tacky, and then you're gonna just place it where you'd like the lace to lay, and then you can wait for it to dry. Now some people place like a headband over their hair in order for it to set and dry, but see, even now it hasn't even dried. I'm moving her hair and it's not lifting anymore. So after it like completely dries, she'll be able to, you know, kind of flip her hair backward when she's just adjusting, and it won't be lifting as it was showing earlier.
Be very careful when you remove your wig at the end of the day, because you could ruin the lace if you just pull it, because it's basically glued down. So you can do the following.
So you can just use some water. I guess it's like a round face pad.
Mm-hmm.
Soak it,
or a cotton ball.
Yeah, and then you just dab that water through to where your glue is, and you're gonna try to kind of lift it slowly each time to see if it's already worked, so that you can loosen the adhesive and just remove your wig. Mm-hmm. And you can do it on the sides here too. I know some people are concerned sometimes because their bio hair not necessarily matches the color of the wig, so you can also run it through here and just add some glue to where you'd like it to go. And the key to it is to make it tacky before. So right now, like even with my fingers, just a few minutes, or actually a few seconds, it's already tacky. So you want it to be tacky before you lay the lace down.
Today I'm wearing Mesmerized by Raquel Welch in the color Shaded Biscuit.
I'm also wearing Raquel Welch. This is Wavy Day in the color Shaded Ice Java.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.